birds chirping, flying high. 4 big balloons up in the sky. Let's count together, 1, 2, 3. Counting is fun for you and me. From 1 to 20, we'll sing along. Numbers are magic in our song. 5 tiny stars that twinkle and glow. 6 cute kittens meow in a row. 7 green apples, tasty and sweet. 8 busy ants march with tiny feet. Let's count together, 1, 2, 3. Counting is fun for you and me. From 1 to 20, we'll sing along. Numbers are magic in our song. 9 jumping frogs splash in the pond. 10 bright flowers of which we're fond. 11 balloons float in the air. 12 soft teddy bears sit in a pair. 13 ducks swim side by side. 14 butterflies flutter and glide. 15 rainbows, colors so bright. 16 candles glow in the night. 17 shells we find by the sea. 18 drums go boom with glee. 19 stars and the moon to see. 20 friends are counting with me. Let's count together, 1, 2, 3. Counting is fun for you and me. From 1 to 20, we've sung along. Numbers are magic in our song. Let's count together, 1, 2, 3. Counting is fun for you and me. From 1 to 20, we'll sing along. Numbers are magic in our song.
Red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on your feet. C is for cat who purrs all day. D is for dog who loves to play. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog who jumps away. Come and sing, come and play. Let's learn letters every day. From A to Z, it's fun, you see. Come sing the alphabet with me. G is for goat who climbs so high. H is for hat you wear up by. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly, a wobbly bite. K is for kite that flies so free. L is for lion, king of the tree. M is for monkey swinging fast. N is for nest where birds will rest. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for pencil just for me. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for robot dancing all around. S is for sun so warm and bright. T is for train chugging left and right. U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for violin with lovely refrains. W is for whale big and blue. X is for xylophone, music too. Y is for yo-yo up and down. Z is for zebra striped all around. Now we've sung from A to Z. You're as smart as you can be. Come and sing, come and play. We learned letters, hip hooray. From A to Z we had some fun. Let's sing it again, everyone. Come and sing, come and play. We learned letters, hip hooray. From A to Z we had some fun. Let's
And it was much fun, like a rainbow when it's done. Look! Yes! Look! Here red, orange, yellow too. Green, blue, indigo, woohoo! Now you know them, shout hooray! It's a rainbow-colored day. Daisy Duck went out to play, waddling bright on a sunny day. She quacked hello with happy cheer. Her forest friends came hopping near. Benny Bunny bounced so high, let's count clouds up in the sky. 1, 2, 3, they giggled loud, chasing numbers in the cloud. Tina Turtle said, let's rhyme words that match and dance in time. Duck and Bunny clapped along, learning with a silly song. Freddie Fox brought shapes to show, circle, square, and triangle. They drew them